यो 10 वर्षको हाम्रो इतिहास र वर्तमानको सुरुवात मलाई के लाग्छ भन्दाखेरि it's about climbing a Himalayan summit. We had the base camp. We had Camp 1, Camp 2, Camp 3, Camp 4, and eventually the summit. And this milestone is something like the summit that we have climbed with the preparation, with the hardship, with the struggle, with perseverance, efficiency, leadership, commitment. So these all put together, we have come to this point today. र यो माइलस्टोनमा पुग्नलाई our people, I always prefer from my heart to say we have very efficient team of employees. We have very dedicated team of employees, very professional, and they take ownership of the company and their profession. And on behalf of TMT, I would like to express a sense of deep gratitude to all my colleagues. And I want to express my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. Joe Enyong for his leadership, which made it possible to turn around the company into a sustainably profitable company. And I also would like to mention the hard work, diligence, and the leadership in ops and technical area by Captain Howdy. Your Excellency, Ambassador Chen Song, Your Excellency, the Economic Councillor, CEO, Your Excellency, Chairman Silang Jepe, Your Excellency, Mr. Mukesh Dangol, Joint Secretary, Minister of Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation, Mr. DCL, very popularly known, Devchandra Lal Karn, DCL, Mr. DCL Karn, Deputy Director General, who is responsible for airline affairs in the CAN, and all my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thankful on behalf of the company management, the kind appreciation, kind words of Your Excellencies, and the encouraging, speeches that will motivate us to move on forward. Himalaya, we have an intent of being a pride of the nation, an airline which can be an example, though small, in the conduct of safe, secure, quality operation of our flight business. If we look back into our history, in commercial terms also, we have been able to provide, over the years, reliable flights, on-time performance. So comparatively, the on-time performance of our flights are recommendable and appreciated by many. And the fares we charge are relatively more economical. Flights are on time, more on time. And this commitment we want to continue over the years. As I said, we have climbed the first, mountain, Himalaya. So we have a series of, Himalayan peaks to cover in the years to come. In the ministry, I want to, put on record the support and the liberal approaches, the cooperation they have provided to Himalaya in granting traffic rights, in granting different permissions. And I want to share with all our colleagues and dignitaries that the work in the ministry for us has been flawless, and our people feel very comfortable at home when they do the ministry-related works. I want to thank the ministry and Mr. Dangol for all their support, guidance, and help to us. And the CAN in particular they have given us safety oversight guidance, which have helped us to become one of the admirable airlines in matters of safety, security, and the quality conduct. I do not want to hesitate that during ICAO audits and the ICAO inspectors, chief inspectors, they have praised the standard of safety management system in Himalaya as one of the best in the Asia-Pacific region. And in this matter also, I would like to thank the guidance of CAN. And they also, as for CAN, besides being regulatory, CAN has also been working as the airport service provider. And the slots, they have given to us, the liberalness they have shown to us in granting the slots, these are, quite appreciative. And in the future, we will, maintain the intent of, maturing toward greater safety, more secure and better quality conduct for our business and serving our nation, our people, tourism and economy. And I look forward to having more of your support in the future, and I look forward to having greater spirit of unity in our employees and getting them, more professional. Thank you very much.